So it's been really sad. It's sad time for the world in general. Okay, and this video is not dreadlock related, right? It's has to do with the sad events happening around the world. It hurts, right? Because 2020 has been hitting the world with different sad events, and with the coronavirus being the worst of it. And the painful part is some greedy people are capitalizing on this outbreak for their own personal profit. How cruel can humans be? Like, seriously? From the scarcity of hand sanitizer to the scarcity of disinfecting wipes, and now paper towels, I mean tissue papers. Word, honestly, it's sad, really. It's really sad, and my heart goes out to those who are infected by the virus, and to those who have lost a loved one to the virus. My heart goes out to you. Okay, so I just thought to do this video to help share a few tips on how you can disinfect your hands in the absence of hand sanitizer, right? So I usually do this before the outbreak, using baby wipes and then alcohol. Okay, so guys, like I said, I'm going to be showing you easy way on how you can sanitize your hands and sanitize your personal items without having to break the bank in the absence of a hand sanitizer. Okay, so for this I'm using rubbing alcohol, or like we call it here in Nigeria, spirit. All right, so you're using a rubbing alcohol. Now the solution has to be 60% and above. Okay, and then I think this is 8%, right? So I'm using this. Okay, and then I'm using my baby wipes. This I'm using a Huggies Natural Care with aloe vera. You can use pretty much on a wipe. All right, so but I'm using this because I have this available at hand. So now this is easy. All you need to do is for the first option, all you need to do is to just open your baby wipes, right? And your alcohol. Okay, and just pour in. Just pour in some of the spirit into the wipe, right? And as you can see, it's absorbing. Okay, when you pour, it absorbs. Okay, so right, so you put as much as you think you will need. Okay, yeah, so that's cool, that's enough. As you can see, when you give it a squeeze. Okay, so that's good. All right, so and then the seal. If at any point you feel like there's not enough alcohol in the wipes, you can just add in some more. Okay, like I said, the major ingredients in a hand sanitizer is your rubbing alcohol. The reason I'm using a baby wipe is because this already has a moisturizing agent in it. So now when you feel like disinfecting, all you need to do is this. Your hand doesn't dry out because of the moisturizing agents in the wipes. So and that's it. That's one. And you can use this to wipe surfaces, you can use this to wipe your phone, you can use it to wipe pretty much anything you feel like wiping. But the second, you can make your own hand sanitizer. And then to make your own hand sanitizer, you also will be needing this rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel. I couldn't get an aloe vera gel, so I whipped up some fresh aloe vera. You can do that too. Okay, and I'll be needing a spray bottle and my oils. Okay, and I'm using tea tree oil because of its antiseptic properties, and lavender and lemon oil for scent. So now for this hand sanitizer, all you need is a ratio of two parts rubbing alcohol to one part aloe vera. Okay, so this mainly is for moisturizing, so this doesn't dry your hands out. Now we're going to do this two parts. Okay, of your rubbing alcohol to 1 part aloe vera. Right, then I'm going to be stirring with this. Okay, and then a few drops of tea tree oil. Like I said, I'm using tea tree because of its antiseptic properties. Give it a stir. And some lavender oil for scent. Okay, and lemon oil also for scent. Okay, so give it a stir. And that's pretty much it. And put it in your spray bottle. This smells good. Okay, and you have your own hand sanitizer and spray. I just hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.